Fart. I heard a loud fart in the quiet room. Sneeze. He sneezed loudly in the morning. Gargle. I gargle with salt water when my throat feels sore. Scream. Shout. He screamed for help when he fell down. Snore. My dad snores loudly at night. Laugh. Giggle. We laugh when we watch funny movies. Belch. A belch is a loud sound from the stomach. Clap. The baby likes to clap her hands. Sniff. I sniff the flowers in the garden. Cough. She had a cough all day. Hiccup. He drank water to stop his hiccup. Blow. I can blow air into this balloon to make it big. Cracking the knuckles. Cracking the knuckles can bother some people. Grind the teeth. She grinds her teeth when she sleeps. Whisper. He likes to whisper secrets to her friend. Snap the finger. She can snap the fingers loudly. Yawn. A yawn can mean you are sleepy or bored.